Welcome to Brilliant Infosystems. In modern fulfillment centers and assembly operations, every component must be picked accurately and delivered on time. Even a small counting error can lead to production delays, rework, and increased operational costs. Traditional picking relies on manual counting and operator experience, resulting in picking errors, incomplete kits, longer cycle times, and limited process visibility. Brilliant Infosystems introduces BrilliantLights integrated with BrilliantWeigh 2G, an intelligent pick-to-light and weight validation solution designed for fast, accurate component picking. When a production or fulfillment order is released, the operator scans the order barcode. The correct storage location immediately illuminates, while the display indicates the required quantity. The operator simply picks the components and places them on the BrilliantWeigh platform. Using the configured unit weight, the system automatically calculates the actual quantity and instantly validates the pick. A green indication confirms the correct quantity, while any shortage or excess immediately generates visual and audible alerts, allowing instant correction before the order moves forward. The solution integrates seamlessly with WMS, ERP, MES, barcode and RFID systems, providing real-time validation and complete traceability. It reduces manual counting, improves picking accuracy, accelerates assembly and fulfillment, and minimizes costly rework. Pick by light, validate by weight, assemble with confidence. Brilliant delivers digital supply chain software for warehouse management, warehouse control, order management, delivery management, third-party logistics, manufacturing execution, enterprise asset management, real-time location tracking, and AI-powered analytics. We accelerate Industry 4.0 with automated storage and retrieval systems, digital engineering, digital twins, simulation, emulation, PLC programming, warehouse automation, conveyors sortation, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Our industrial hardware portfolio includes RFID, Bluetooth Low Energy, LoRa IoT sensors, barcode and identification systems, mobile computing. Our BrilliantLight solution includes pick-to-light devices, weighing systems, load cell validation, and automation hardware. With headquarters in Pune, manufacturing facilities in India, worldwide channel partners, deployments across more than 9 countries, and dedicated 24/7 support, Brilliant delivers consulting, implementation, and lifetime customer success. Brilliant, engineering the future of smart warehousing and industrial automation.